pan, boys.
It's a fire.
Can you blow it out?
Fuck!
Get up there.
Good boy.
Got it. Okay, I think they're done. They're fucking burnt.
That's fine. That's how I like them.
The fucking pan caught on fire.
They did. And my glasses are also melting from the heat.
Yeah, I think that's good.
Fuck my hands. Anyone bring some hotbed? Bring some hotbed?
Set it on the stone.
Aim this down a little bit.
Yes, those are good enough.
Look at that, baby. Look at that.
Everybody get their bun because I want to also make the kebab.
Tasty. It's very moist.
Put that in the fire.
Yes. Dump it on the fire.
Stop the fire.
Like,
what are you doing, dumbass?
I'd leave him here if I just see him dump the mac and cheese in. Jacob.
Is there any like water or anything in there?
Oh. Not the pie. The fucking cardboard, you fucking dumb fuck.
Oh.
There's no fire.
What the
We gotta
fuck?
Start watching these kids. This is what's crack.
Is that empty?
Camera go, yes. Maybe I'm touching that again. Where's the spatula?
The spatula is right there.
I'm not calling me meatballs, but that's a conversation for another day.
You're all hold light. Oh, we're cooking hamburgers. We found these. They were in the ground. Now we're going to put them there. It was in the ground like
We're
that
paying our
cooking.
tribute to the Sterling Jays that we fed this morning, their own ancestors. Now we cook them cows with pepper jack cheese and pepper jack mac and cheese.
Oh, good. Look at that.
And then we have roasted garlic mashed potatoes and a side of Hefeweizen.
Yeah, baby.
But first, we must perform the ceremonial burning of the shoes.
As he does that right over the food.
Are you ready? Here we go. Rest in peace to foot pain. This is for everyone who ever had foot pain.
Bought from Wish. My only wish is I hadn't bought them.
And now, rest in peace.
A little bit more. It has been properly buttered. I am hungry. I'm a hungry boy. All of a sudden, the smell of that meat.
Big ass burger.
Won't you take me far away from the hungry land home?
It's
So much stillness. It's eerily quiet.
Indeed.
I've never been anywhere in my life that was so quiet.
Right?
Yeah. Heard a. Almost like he was mocking my words. You know, kind of like someone going, "Psst,"
Yeah, like
but it was a
just snorting in disapproval.
kind of a snorting sound. It's very faint though. Like right there.
If we get deeper in here, we could do like a tree knock. It's not as crazy as like a howl. Tree cover.
Keep going.
What do you got?
Use this.
Whoa, you hear that?
You hear that?
Yeah, was that like a beaver or something? Here's the lake. You can't really see it. Like, there's no reflection, but it's straight ahead.
Yeah.
It's hard to see.
All out here is a lake. Big lake. But it's too dark. Not enough light source. Heard that?
What was it?
Like leaves rustled. Or nothing. Yeah, you can't really get close enough to
Yeah.
really see it.
If I got close
too
enough, we'd be
clearly.
in it.
Yeah, you'd basically be in it. But trust. About 10 feet away. Lake. Look at this. Look at this nestling bed
This
right
is
here. This looks like a little.
Here, let's show the people
Yeah.
what it would look like if I. Right here.
For perspective. And then shine the light around a little bit. Rather wide area. That's not part of this, just the gift he has.
I'll draw out the creatures. Here's another fucking cubby hole.
That's a big hobble. I'm gonna demonstrate this.
There you go. It's pretty good size.
Very large.
Anything can lay in that. Super random area.
Oh, look at this tree.
Ooh, this is downed. A couple of downed ones. They had to cut them.
Pretty cool looking.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this one up here. I
Oh,
don't know if you can
yeah.
see that.
Yep. That guy's downed into the water.
About this, except for the fact that just the silence is deafening. Deafening. Anywhere else I've ever been, there's, creatures of the night moving around, scurrying, whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Bats, this, that, whatever. You hear little things, this and that. I'm hearing nothing. And that's odd. To me, at least.
Right. Yeah, we've seen plenty of deer, squirrels,
No light
birds.
happening at all.
We've seen like at least 3 or 4 different animals all day.
Yeah, it's like
Now we get up to this area,
there's no life.
and this area is all of a sudden a different area. You could feel it in the air.
I do.
You could hear it in the air. And hopefully we'll see it in the air. There we go.
I feel like how quiet this forest is. Within a mile, you could have heard that.
That goes up.
Keeps going.
Oh, this just goes down to the lake to fish. What's that sign say?
You see sign?
We are its stewards.
We are its stewards. This land is sacred. Okay? Not saying it's not.
Seems random.
Look at this.
Oh, yeah, it's in this fucking.
Little burrow hole.
Let me see what's in here.
Some kind of creature's made.
Canyon's like right here.
Right?
Yep.
There's one.
Oh yeah.
Not quite as thickums, but one more time. You hear that?
I heard something, but
There's something too.
I don't know.
I feel like this is like right about where I heard that sound. It almost sound like someone stepped. Like that, kind of. Like. I haven't heard anything since, so.
No.
It's crazy to see how far the lighthouse actually travels. Incredibly far.
It's bright.
Extremely bright.
Trees, treeness.
Look at this chunker.
Fuck
Oh,
yeah, double chunker.
Let me try again.
Yeah, give it a go.
Yeah.
That's another adventure.
Indeed it is.
There you go, gents. The lake that we're always talking about. It's right there.
Yep, this whole lake.
Massive.
Massive.
And this thickens.
Yes. Take the spirits.
You want to communicate with me?